everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix PayPal not receiving payments on iPhone. First of all, check your account status. Make sure your account is verified and not limited. Unverified accounts can't receive certain payments. Next, confirm the email address. Payments only go to the email linked to your PayPal account, and verify it in settings through email. Next, check pending or on hold payments. Some payments are held for security checks or may require you to accept the payment manually. Now we are going to update your PayPal app. Go to the App Store, search for PayPal, and then see if there is an update button available. If it is, ensure it to the latest version. Privacy tip: only share your PayPal email for receiving payments, not your password or sensitive info. Quick fix: if payments still do not arrive, log out and back in to refresh your account. Check with the sender to confirm they use the correct email and currency. Connect the PayPal support for unresolved payments, and that's it. Subscribe for more fast PayPal